Probably lost close to a third of my hair. It went from long and lush and full to thin and scraggly. I didn't want photos taken of me. I'm normally a very confident, happy, positive person, but this was really affecting me. It really was. Even after I stopped the medication, the hair loss did not stop. I was fortunate enough to come across the platelet-rich plasma therapy and started the PRP treatments, and they have just made a significant difference for me. I am so much happier. So much stress has melted away. I love having photographs taken again. It's made such a difference. I can't even put it into words, in all honesty. You know, there are some things in life that we can't help but worry about, things we have to worry about. But losing your hair, particularly for a woman, shouldn't be